Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Capricorn. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and I'll be giving the angels guidance message for our situation at last. Eight of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, guys. Capricorn, with these cards, I feel you are very responsible in your work and in your relationship. You are honest. Uh, you want to make this relationship work. So you are taking all the possible actions to make it work, guys. You are putting in your time and energy, effort to make it work. So that is the energy here, guys. So uh, you like this person a lot, you are committed, you want to make this work, you're putting in lots of effort. Maybe that may be the way they feel about you, or maybe you feel only if you put in so much effort, this person will like you, guys. They will be in this relationship with you. So that is the kind of energy with these cards. And you have a very good, what to say, a way of doing things, how to what to say keep that harmony and balance in your relationship. So let us pick a few more cards, guys. Let us see what is the to get the clarity about your situation. Okay. Three, Capricorn, with these cards, I feel you're heading towards a stable, strong relationship, guys. You are making it work. You are building your relationship on what to say, strong values. You are trying hard. You are putting in the efforts to make this relationship work, guys. For some of you all, you may be enjoying with your person, taking them out for parties, some kind of communal activity, guys, with friends, family, something you're meeting with friends or family, something of that sort. So and this relationship is meant to be, guys. You This may be twin flame soulmate connection, guys. So you feel that great attraction with this person, you want to be with this person, and you want to make all the effort to last to make this relationship last long. So that is the kind of energy here, guys. So all what to say, this relationship has all the good qualities in it, and you are trying hard, guys, and it is uh, what to say, the results are coming for your efforts. So that is the energy here, Capricorn. So let us see what is the angel's message for your situation, guys. What the angels are guiding us to do today. Michael. Okay. So the angel's message is to what to say, face all your challenges and whatever stress and negativities, whatever you're facing every day with your inner strength, guys. You don't have to fear your situation, okay? Whatever, some kind of challenge, whatever is happening every day. So you just need to give up your negative emotions and feelings regarding that situation, and you just need to have the strength in your heart and that belief that you will be able to overcome it, and see the truth in your situation and do your action based on that strength, guys. So uh, when you act with courage in your heart, it just helps you to achieve your dreams and goals and your visions, guys, whatever you have for your life. So that is the angel's guidance today. So you need to give up your negative emotions and thoughts regarding your situation, and when you do that, you will automatically have that courage to overcome your day-to-day challenges, guys. So that is the angel's guidance message for you all, Capricorn. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.